Are you unable to chat in Roblox? In this video, I will guide you through how to unlock chat feature in Roblox. Many Roblox players face this issue because of account age, privacy settings, or parental controls. To unlock the feature, open your Roblox and go to this More option. Now from here go to Settings. Now tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. From here go to this Communication option. Now go to Experience Chat. From here you have to turn on these two options to get the chat feature in Roblox. But to turn on this you have to confirm your age. When you turn this on you will get this option. From here click on Continue. Roblox will send a code in your email. Get the code from your email. Now enter the code here and tap on Verify. Now you have to use your camera to do an age check. Tap on Continue. Here again tap on Continue, then follow the instruction. After this, the age verification successfully completed. Now go back and turn on this Experience Chat and Direct Chat option. As you can see, the Experience Chat and Direct Chat option are currently enabled on this account. Now you can use chat feature in Roblox. And that's how you unlock chat on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.